We go down. Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex, Trading for Beginners. Now, for those people who have been here before, it's really good to see you. And for the new people, thank you for tuning in. You're about to see something special. And I do encourage you to stay to the end of the video because it's something, a fantastic free offer. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. What I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to share my screen. At the start of the week, I started looking at gold, XAUUSD on TradingView. So if anyone wants free access to trading software, I'm going to give you that. We stay to the end of the video and somebody comment to give me the free software, Jeff. I'll certainly do that, ladies and gentlemen. So at the start of the week, I looked at gold, just so you know. So this was the markup I did. On Monday evening, I'm in Thailand time. So price would go down here, and I suggested, pardon me, I would come up to there and come back down. And that's exactly what it did. And I marked up these highs. It's definitely an uptrend, as you can see there. And yep, just let it go down. I'll go down to the 1 minute, one hour, sorry. Yeah, and it's pushed down exactly as I've said. So what I'm doing right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll put some lovely music. The music I love when I'm trading. Go down to the 15 minute. Now, because what this does, this shows how it kept rejecting off this line and broke through and come back up and kept testing that. So those people who trade with support and resistance, you can see how that makes perfect sense. Now, what I'm going to do now, ladies and gentlemen, go back to the 1 hour. So you can actually, so I know most people I know trade on this time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm just unclick this. When you unclick this, you'll see some strange stuff happening, ladies and gentlemen. So we click on that there. So that moves it to high Kanashi candles. Just a minute. Yeah, there we go. It's a few different indicators. Right, now let's just check this on the 4 hour. This particular thing is a cloud. When it's above the cloud, it's a buy. When it's below the cloud, it's a sell. Can't get any easier than that. You see right now, it says up here, ladies and gentlemen, trading on a 4 hour time frame. It's there and it's there. Yep. At the bottom here, we have an oscillator, and it says at that point there's a sell. We have hidden divergence, and boom, ladies and gentlemen, those people who trade with me for my trading camp, they know the power of hidden divergence. Go straight down, and this is gold. And if you missed out, ladies and gentlemen, you have missed a massive trick. I spent a whole week trading this system, teaching you 764 pips was available. Yeah. Now let's come down this to the 1 hour. Explain what this is now. So what we've got here is, I know it's a bit busy, what we've got here is something I call a dynamic money line. And you know how it just stays above there the whole time, and it rejects off of there and rejects again and keeps going up, and it hits a high, which high some people call supply and demand zone. Some people call it an order block. Some people would call it perhaps support and resistance. Some people call it zones. Now it hits that there, this previous block orders. So we're finding orders that are sitting on the table, and it rejected down right there. So up to there and dropped. Now, depending on the style of trading, you could have entered there, yes, or you could have waited to drop through the cloud tried to break through, but it retested. So you stay in the trade all the way down as I have shown. Yep. So that's one way of entering the trade, ladies and gentlemen. Another one you could even did was the 15 minutes. It's super simple. 15-minute. Let me show you that again. 15-minute there. So for people who like to trade on the 15-minute time frame, I'm just going to calm down. So it goes up to that supply demand zone, the order block. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And at that point there, you can get in there. You can stay in that trade until that point there, and we get another supply zone, order block, and it just keeps plummeting down. Again, you can stay in the trade until there, or it goes into the cloud. You see that, ladies and gentlemen? Yep. Back consolidation, and then we start dropping out of the cloud again. Rejects off this dynamic money line I keep talking about. Show you more information about this dynamic money line. Yep. See that, ladies and gentlemen? Rejects off that, stays under that all the way. And then notice that consolidation, it breaks into the supply demand zone. This that I've actually highlighted previously, just there and there. Yep. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. So let's continue. Now, if those people have traded with me, I sometimes take it down to the 1 minute time frame. Some people say, Jeff, that you can't do that. It's super crazy to do that. Well, let's see how far we can take this. I'm going to go back to see that drop, to see what's possible, ladies and gentlemen. I won't take it all the way. We even got the volume profile on this as well. Let's take it, just show how easy it is to trade with this. We've even got the incredible Ninjacator in action. Now, those people who trade with it as part of the Ninja trading system in the Ninja Forex Traders Group know the power of the Ninjacator. Now, this is something new I'm testing out, ladies and gentlemen. So for me, you know, I love my divergence. Go up here, we get the first down there. Depending on your style, you could it in there. We trade supply and demand, order blocks of bankers. For me personally, when it rejects through the money line, yeah, you see at this point, there, we're under this here, it's under this zero. Goes back, tries to test it, and we shoots down. Has a little dance in there, tries to get above it, and we get the hidden divergence. And then on, it's money all the way. Tries to break through again, depending on the style of trading, it breaks through there, or tries to anyway. So it's super simple, lots of opportunities. So let's look at this one again, depending on your style. Some people may say it's counter trend trading, it's in a downtrend, or when I scalp that up, you can certainly do so. So it's super easy, simple, effective. Now let's apply this. Well, lots of lines here, ladies and gentlemen. So the people that trade the V70 that I brought, the incredible V70 strategy, you see it's not hit that line there, but look at that. All it has to do is enter the trade. It's took a strong push down earlier on, and then it's come back up. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it there. It's late here in Thailand. It's come back up to that zone that I was talking about. And at this point here, I may expect it to continue down, but let's see. Wherever you are in the world, ladies and gentlemen, it's been great speaking to you. Have a great day, and I'll see you. That's right, I'm speaking to you. I'll see you at the top.